Hey guys, it's Angela from Lemons to Lemonade, and I'm back again in the same clothes, same shirt, same hair, no makeup. But I started my first video and I didn't exactly make an intro to it, so this is it. What you'll be seeing here is an unboxing of my Limelife Starter Kit. I joined Limelife last week with my friend Jamie, and so this is kind of like the kickoff to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I've officially opened the box, and we're gonna rip open tissue paper and see what we have. Look at all this. How cool. So you get Dream Clean. This is a aloe and soapberry face cleanser, normal to oily skin. So a face cleanser, and then you get a Skin Therapy pomegranate and oak face moisturizer, normal to dry skin. This is kind of like a little skincare routine here. And then the last part is the due date face oil. So let's see. It says the aromatic central oil blend consistently absorbs into skin to achieve dewy, healthy looking glow. Massage into clean skin in circular upward strokes, daily or nightly skincare. So you've got like a face oil here. And I guess let's see. I'm assuming that it moisturizes or something like that. And then here we have, we can get this out. Okay, here we have a Blenderful non-latex makeup sponge and travel case. So comes in a nice container. Pull it off. And on the inside, it's a cute little blender, beauty blender. And it comes with this adorable travel case, so it just snaps, or actually it's magnetic, doesn't snap, but you open it, and then inside is a super, super soft beauty blender. How cool. Let's put that back in there. And then here to the left, to the right, my right, we've got the Perfect powder. I believe this is a trio. And on the ends, so this is where you'll stick your translucent powder, blush, and bronzer. So these are little magnetic wells where you can put the product. So, and then underneath it, we have, this is Perfect Blush in Blush Parfait. So if you open it, we've got, come on, come out. Just a long time. Okay, so we've got blush in the color, I believe it's Parfait. Yeah, Perfect Blush in Blush Parfait. So then you would take this out of the plastic and put it inside of here into your little pellet. Okay, so that's the blush in color Blush Parfait. Then you've got the Perfect, same thing, twice. Blushing number 5. Oh, this is Alive. Sorry, 2 blushes. Or something like that. So we've got Alive. This is Alive, this first one. And then the second one is actually called Blushing. That's number 5. So let's see what that looks like. Get it out. Get it out here. Oh, wow. so much brighter. Look at that. So one's a little bit darker than the other, but they're both blushes. And then you would take these out of the plastic and stick them inside here. So the last thing for this bottom row is Perfect Bronzer in the color 01. Let's take that out. See what that looks like. And this is probably going to be a little bit too light for me since I'm kind of dark, but I really just got this kit because I wanted the lip colors for this. I already had the ones that were in the medium kit. So this is a bronzer and it is in color number 01. So then you would put these three into the palette and carry them and store them like so. So I'll just set that to the side. Okay, then starting on the top, we have, I believe, I can take this out. I'm just gonna open like this. This is Skin Polish, Lemon and Joe, I can't say that, bead face mask. So it's like exfoliating. You open it. I actually have some of this stuff already, but it'll be nice to have some extra. Okay, so you just pull this up and then you've got your face mask, and it doesn't take much for each use, so this will last you a good while. And then you typically don't want to use it every day because it's exfoliating, so maybe like once or twice a week. So this should last you a good while. It's a good size. You get 4 whole ounces of the skin polish, and this stuff is amazing if you haven't used it. Then next we have, we'll have to open the box. I can't pull it out. With my hand is Bamboo Renew. It's a body scrub, so it says, I've never tried this before, so let's read the instructions. It says, gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions, paying close attention to rough areas. Add water as desired to create a creamy lather. Rinse and repeat. It says use 3 to 5 times per week. So you use it on your, not intended for the face or neck. So this is just basically like a body scrub. And I'm assuming that it has exfoliator beads in it. So I'll open that later, but that's pretty cool. So that was called Bamboo Renew. And then in these little pockets here, these little bits, this is Power Pout Perfect Lipstick in, what color is this? Does it say? Does it say? No. Let's open it. It's hard to do with one hand, but it's the lipstick in color 100. So if you can see that, hopefully it'll focus. Okay, so just pop it off there and twist it up. Oh, that's pretty. So this is shade 100, and I don't remember what the name is. But anyways, if you're wondering, it's shade 100, and I'll have to test this out later on my skin, but we're just seeing what's in here for now. So we'll put that back. Then, so if you guys are wondering, there's 3 different types of kits that you can get. There's a light, a medium, and a dark, and they each come with different colors of product in each kit. So this is the light kit that I'm showing you right now. And then this box here is another Perfect lipstick in the color number, focus, 203. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Oh yes, pretty summer color. It's a very light pink. So this is a Perfect lipstick in color 203. And then last but not least, this is the right side of our kit. Put this back. And then let's see, get this closed. Come on. Is the Limelife Perfect eyeliner pen. I've never used this before, so I'm excited to see how well this eyeliner pen works. And I'm sure, I have no doubt that it works great, because I mean, these products are professional grade. So I'll have to show you guys here in a second. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Get that out of the box. Perfect eyeliner, and let's see, I don't know what color this is, but I'm assuming that, yeah, Midnight Black. Okay, so in a little bit, I guess in my next video, I'll open this stuff up and actually try it. So stay tuned. And then, second is the Perfect mascara. So you can see that. And it is in the color black. So I've never used this either. I mostly have all the stuff that's on the left here. But once I get it open, I can show you. So anyways, this is Perfect mascara in the color black. Okay, and like I said, I'll do a video trying these products out to show you guys. Okay, and then continuing on to the sparkly stuff here, you've got Perfect lip gloss. I've actually never tried these, and this is in the color Grace. I've been wanting some lighter nude pinks, which is why I got the light box. So I'm really excited to try these. Really excited. Let me get this open. Oh yes, okay. So Perfect lip gloss, and it comes with this little sparkly, cute lid, and this is the color Grace. Okay, I'm just gonna take these boxes and put them inside. It'll be easier for me to put back. Oh look, and how cool! It comes with a mirror. Huh. Hi. Second on this side, we've got Enduring Lip Color. These are my favorite because not only are they matte, but they don't leave your lips feeling dry and crusty, which is something that I hate. Nobody likes to have crusty lips. So I'll show you what this looks like. This is in the color, let's get it to focus, Cream Brulee. And look at this beauty. So like I said, I'll try these on in my second video here, but I just wanted to show you guys what comes in the light kit. Okay, so this is kind of like a lip gloss. When you open it, it'll be a stick with a sponge applicator, and I'll show you that later. Okay, and then last but not least is the Enduring Lip Liner. I've actually never used lip liner, so this will be a first for me. And let's find out what color it is. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is number 2, Light Nude, and this is a lip liner. So it's an enduring lip liner, so you put this on before you put your lipstick. And I know some people also use lip liner just as a lip color in general without actually using lipstick. So that is all that comes in this kit. So we've got our blushes, the bronzer, you've got the lip liner, the enduring lip color, the perfect lip gloss, the the mascara, the perfect eyeliner, 2 lipsticks, the Bamboo Renew, the skin polish, your basically skin routine, so you've got the cleaner, and then you've got the oil, and did we open this one? I don't remember. But anyways, this is basically your skincare routine here in the bottom. Yeah, so this is like your moisturizer, face oil, beauty blender with a travel kit. So you can get all of this, I believe for $169. This is the silver starter kit in light. If you're interested, leave me a comment below and I will get back to you. But thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you around.